Welcome to Real Estate Behind the Scenes, where we answer the questions everyone has about buying, selling, and working in real estate. One question, one answer, 1 minute smarter. This is episode 4. Why do closings get delayed? When a closing gets delayed, everybody wants to blame the realtor, but that's usually not the reason. A closing can be delayed because of financing, an appraisal, title issues, insurance, repairs, missing documents, or sometimes the buyer simply can't satisfy the lender's final requirements before closing. I like to compare a real estate transaction to an orchestra. Every person has a part to play. If just one instrument isn't ready, the concert waits. The best agents spend most of their time preventing problems before they ever become delays. I'm Callie with Cardinal Academy of Real Estate. If you have a question you'd like us to answer, leave it in the comments below. You might see it in a future episode. Until next time, this is Real Estate Behind the Scenes for people who are short on time, but never short on curiosity. Because real estate doesn't have to be complicated, it just needs to be explained.